Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Today's video will review not one but two knife. Well, it's the same knife, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, these one I really like. Not because they're very different from the other, the blade shape is different. They're Ganzos again, or Firebird, the Firebird line made by Ganzo. The product number is F756, and I've got them in two different colors. So I got the carbon fiber, which I really like, even though it's not a true carbon fiber, and I've got the orange, which is another color I like, so Ivis. Okay, but what I like the most of these two knives, and I'll keep the orange in my hand so it'll be easier for you guys to focus on the knife. The orange has not been used, the other one has been used. So the knives are basically reproduction or copy from Benchmade 940. So basically, because of the blade shape here, okay, and a bit of the handle, okay, they are copies of the Benchmade. It's a recall very close to the Benchmade 940, which is a really popular model. I wanted to have, I'm gonna have to put some lights closer to give you the close-up. So I'm gonna turn this one here. Good. The fun of having two lights. So as you can see, a nice drop point with a swedge on top of it. Thumb stud, a small belly here that comes back to the middle line of the knife. Basically it's a saber grind with secondary bevel on the bottom, as you see the silver here. The handle shape is really comfortable, easy to hold, easy, very friendly to the hand, and it is basically this one is G10, this one is laminated carbon fiber. Okay, all the hardware except that the locking mechanism is blue. So, and is a tip up. Okay, it will store tip up, left or right. So either way you can choose which side of your pocket. There is very nice hourglass shape spacer in the back. Everything is open. The blade is centered, okay, and it is on both of them. A little less on the carbon fiber here. It's not exactly centered. Not sure if you're seeing this at all. Not exactly centered. So these are really nice knife. A little heavy. They're not. There is some cutout in it. With this light, it's not going to be able to. Let me hold the light so that you can see. Yeah, you see the cutouts there, and on the liners there's cutouts, and these cutouts take some weight off, but not much. So these knives are full size. You'll feel them in your pocket, but they're really comfortable to hold. The pocket clip is not that deep, but it'll show the ½ inch as usual, like most Ganzos. Works really well, deploys well, access lock, permits closing. Okay, this one's a little smoother. Okay, then the other one, this one has not been worn, this one has been worn, so it was like a little more problematic. Again, it's coated blade, okay. black coated blade. Some I think some models you can have with a silver blade, but this one comes coated. So what do I think of these knife? Really enjoy these because they look like the 940 and they were made. What can I say? So I have the choice now. Some jimping here for the thumb, but you can rest your thumb also on the blade, which is wide enough to be able to do your thing. Really comfortable, really nice. It's a model I wanted a lot. The 940 is way expensive. These are less than $20 even with the carbon fiber, so it is way more affordable than any Benchmade, which would retail between $160 in Canada to $190. So is it worth that much difference money? I'm not sure. So this is a good alternative to see if the knife fits good in the hand, and this one does. So I really like and enjoy those knives. I mean, I've got you've seen so many videos now, you know I have plenty of those folders, and I really enjoy having new folders. That's it. That's gonna be it on this review. A really nice folder, a really nice knife, again from Ganzo. I still have many to go through, so you might see them. And I've received a one from HX Outdoors, which I really like. Very small, but it's gonna come soon. So if you like this, excuse me, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.